Lovely to meet you, team Meenakshi Sundareshwar. Sanya, मेरी बात तो अब पक्की, you're Bollywood's most wanted bahu. There are no two ways. No two ways about it now.
Am I? सिर्फ
अब
बॉलीवुड में, not in real life.
but it's amazing, मैं जब भी आपसे बात करती हूँ आप किसी बहू के किरदार में होती हो या आपकी ससुराल में कुछ नोक झोंक हो रही होती है. So how much of Meenakshi are you?
I am Meenakshi, obviously, but I'm not as cool as Meenakshi. Like, she's quite confident and cool. I'm not that.
अभिमन्यु, लास्ट हम मिले थे, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, बट इसमें तो मुझे लग रहा है इस मर्द को बहुत दर्द हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बहुत. मीनाक्षी ने सुंदर की लाइफ एनहांस भी की है और उसे अपनी खुद के लाइफ में डिमोट भी किया है.
How different was it for you? Yeah, after full blown action, one soft, sweet, romantic Sushil ladka.
I think it was extremely different, but as a person, I chase and crave challenges. So this was something that I was really looking forward to. And when we met earlier, also last time, I'd said it's the point of being an actor is to try different things and to become different people. And if I'm doing the exact same role in different movies, that doesn't make me much of an actor. So I wanted to get out of that comfort zone and challenge myself to do something like this.
Absolutely. Vivek, now coming to you. I know it's really sweet. It's a Hindi movie set in Madurai. I also have a South Indian connection because I grew up in the South. तब उस जमाने में हिंदी वो ज़्यादा लोग नहीं बात करते थे, but now, I'm talking about like 3 decades ago. But now people are pretty cool and they love Hindi music, Hindi films, बहुत कुछ. But I know a lot of people are saying कि साउथ इंडिया में क्यों किया, आप हमको स्टीरियोटाइप कर रहे हो. मेरे को ट्रेलर से ऐसे कोई स्टीरियोटाइपिंग नहीं लगी. What would you want to say?
So पहला reason ये था just in order to break the clutter, because of late a lot of shows and a lot of films which I was coming across majorly was set in either Delhi, UP, Rajasthan, Punjab.
Exactly.
So
it's a nice
just
movie.
in order to break the clutter, we thought let's go to Tamil Nadu. And also South India, that whole territory has not been explored in Hindi films more, The whole landscape, the culture, the music, the food, there's so much to explore. और जब आप कुछ नया fresh देंगे, तो भी audience को कुछ नया fresh लगेगा, Otherwise, every other thing looks similar. So that was the main reason in order to situate the film over there.
Absolutely. I totally get that. We can have a, South Indian couple's love story in Mumbai, Delhi. And I think it's happened in the past in a couple of films also.
Correct. And we always treated it to be a Hindi film set in Tamil Nadu. It's as simple as that. We never try to, treat it in a way that we are making a Tamil film or something. It was always clear for us that it's a Hindi film. Like how like at times when a film is set in Rajasthan or a film set in Punjab, this film is set in South. As simple as that. अगर हम इतना दूर भागेंगे उस चीज से कि नहीं यार साउथ में है देन ये हो सकता है वो हो सकता है तो एक नॉर्मल the rest of the India will never be able to explore that landscape, अब जैसे उदाहरण के तौर पे मालगुडी डेज अगर वो तमिल में आया होता, अगर या सिर्फ तमिल में बना होता, क्योंकि इतना खूबसूरत शो है, मेरा अभी तक आज भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है वो, मैं कभी उससे अवगत नहीं हो पाता, कभी उसको अच्छे से एंजॉय नहीं कर पाता, एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाता. So it's very important that you go to a landscape which have not been explored before. Yeah. Okay. So that was the core reason actually.
Sanya, tell me, full-blown Punjabi Delhi ki ladki wearing a kanjivaram, it's very different the way they dress up, speak, nuances. Did you observe anyone? And जो आपने थोड़ी Tamil बोली है, was it easy? Tell me the process.
The process, I think I was directed really well by Vivek, and the script and the character is very well written. Vivek and Arsh have written the script. For me as an actor, I think I had really good written material in hand, obviously, and Vivek was always there to help me and guide me. He has a lot of references. He had a lot of things that he was inspired by for the characters. So he always he used to share it with me, and we did a couple of readings before the shoot. We did actually a lot of readings, all three of us together, which really helped me to come close to Meenakshi, you know. And for the Tamil that I've said in the film, it's a very famous dialogue from the film Muthu, जिसमें रजनी सर ये superstar रजनीकांत is saying the dialogue. So वो मैंने बहुत बारी देखा, and obviously it wasn't easy. I won't say that I've nailed it, but I tried my best to you know say the dialogue. हाँ?
Do justice to it.
हाँ, to do justice to it.
And now coming to Sundareshwar, Abhimanyu, आपके लिए कितना easy था? Because I know as an actor you look for challenges, but this is, you know, he's an engineer, he's a working class boy, everything. How did you and also, you know, did you observe anybody's nuances you picked up? What was it like?
Like Sanya said, the written material that we had and the direction that we got was so intricate and so in detail that made life as an actor much easier to get into the shoes of Sundar and for her to get into Meenakshi. Also doing the readings that we did with Vivek, and then we actually referenced Amol Palekar sir a lot. So if by any chance you can notice some of that over there, it'll be great, because we tried to imbibe that kind of character into Sundar.
Awesome. And it also deals with youth and, you know, their perspective on marriage. So आप दोनों सहमत हो अपने characters के outlook से? Will you want a Meenakshi, and will you be looking for a Sundar in your real life?
Yeah, absolutely. Meenakshi is an ambitious, smart, confident girl that is pretty understanding and patient with Sundar. So that I feel are the ideal qualities that I would get along with someone, or that I would be attracted to. So yeah, something like that. And she's and cherry on top of the cake, she's really, really pretty.
That's so
Well, that is Sanya. I'm telling you, Sanya is the most suitable girl that we have. But Sanya, मुझे बताओ यार. I like the characters, the bahus that you play are really chulbula in the face. She says it the way it is. So for all those women who want to have your swayambar for their boys should know ये हमारी सानिया है. पर आपको सुंदर जैसा लड़का चाहिए?
I'm very much like Sundar, to be honest. I'm shy, I'm awkward, I'm reticent. So I'm very much like Sundar. I'm not Meenakshi in real life. I am Meenakshi on screen. But nervous लोगों को और nervous करने में मजा आता है. मैं nervous हूँ. मुझे कोई मजा नहीं आता nervous लोगों को और nervous करके. मैं खुद nervous हो जाती हूँ. So I'm very much like that. But रही बात बहू बनने की, as I said earlier, I think it's only for Bollywood. Real life में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
But you know, Vivek, it also, when I was seeing the trailer, it reminded me of the films back in the 80s. You know, a newly married couple. I've seen a lot of Kamal Hassan, Sridevi ji, and Rajnikant sir ji की पिक्चरें मैंने जब देखी थी. Also back, as he said, Amol Palekar, you know, Rang Birangi, Golmaal, you had, you know, all those kind of films. It's got it's as if you're going back to simplicity amidst the chaos.
Yeah. No, that was the thing for sure. Because क्या होता है, whenever you approach a film, every script speaks to you in a different way. You know, कहते हैं कि some speaks it softly, some loudly. So that's how you kind of come up with the whole approach about a film. इस film की, you know, इसको कैसे construct करना होगा, इसको कैसे approach करना है visually. So when I was conceiving this, when we were writing this film and the whole process, like I'm a huge admirer of Mani sir's work, you know. So we really wanted to explore it in that way visually, how he has explored that street in his films and the way he has shot characters and stuff like that. And at the same time, narrative wise, Hrishikesh Mukherjee, Basu Chatterjee की इनका जो सिनेमा है, वो भी एक फेज आया था जब उनका सिनेमा ने भी मुझे बहुत प्रभावित किया. तो somewhere कहीं ना कहीं ज़हन में उनका सिनेमा भी था, you know. So yeah, so वो ऐसा नहीं कि this is how, these are the only two filmmakers or three filmmakers, but as I said कि हर एक फिल्म का एक सुर होता है. So इस फिल्म के लिए मुझे, you know, these were the filmmakers which were there subconsciously in my mind, you know. And this is what I used to tell my other HUDs and, you know, people who are working on the project, that it's almost, you know, like looking at the world of Hrishikesh Mukherjee and Basu Chatterjee through the lens of Mani Ratnam. You know, जैसे उनका एक प्यारा सा वर्ल्ड होता है, किरदार होते हैं, कोई evil character नहीं, सब में मतलब कुछ ना कुछ एक अच्छी बात होती है, you know. So yeah, I mean that was the intention and that's what we tried to do. Yeah.
Yeah, totally. I totally get that. And also, Sanya, I mean, like, you know, we've been speaking ever since your first film. अब जैसे मैं कह रही हूँ इतनी अच्छी आप वैसे the kind of movies you've done are very I would say forward, you know, whether it was a Paglet, which also came on Netflix, जैसे Ludo में हो गया, बधाई हो, the characters you have chosen are very forward, empowered women. What is your process as an actor? I mean, when this came to you, what were your reasons to say yes?
For Meenakshi, I think the character and the script spoke to me on many levels. As you said, that it's these are my values that reflect through my character. You know, they're always in the forefront when I'm picking up a character or when I'm picking up a script to do. So I obviously can't keep my values aside and pick a character. There are times where I have to like, you know, have empathy for the characters that I can't relate to. But for Meenakshi, she's confident, and I know I was really inspired by her. She is so clear in her head that she wants to work at a small firm. She really likes the fact that Sundar is so ambitious. He doesn't want to work in his father's business. He wants to work like he wants to create a world of his own. She was really inspired by that. So obviously these are all my values too, and they always reflect when I'm doing a character. And I'm also very lucky that you know, writers and creators are writing such characters for women. So I'm very lucky that I'm an actor now, because I would say that it's the golden period to be an actor today.
वैसे आप Netflix के भी बन गए हो, फेस ऑफ Netflix आपकी तीसरी पिक्चर है प्लेटफॉर्म.
I'm glad. And Ludo and Paglet got so much love on Netflix. And I'm hoping the same for Meenakshi Sundareshwar, and I'm sure people will love it, because it's a film कि बहुत टाइम बाद जो आप फैमिली के साथ बैठ के देख सकते हो. दिवाली पर आ रही है और बहुत मजेदार होगा जब घर के साथ एक साथ बैठ के आप देख सकोगे. As an audience, I am craving to watch a film like Meenakshi Sundareshwar, and I've watched it already and I love it. So I know people will love it too.
I'm sure. Abhimanyu, आप बताओ, it's been a while. I know we were talking, बीच में lockdown आ गया, things were stalled. Second release, how excited, and also what's it been like for you, this like 18 months that we've all lived through, because आपसे बात बहुत time बाद हो रही है.
It's been a tough time for everybody, you know. This was actually supposed to be my fourth film, but I'm so happy that it's my second one now. Really excited for it, and क्या बताऊं मैं, I mean, this is, like she said, it's a family film. You can watch, your grandparents can watch it with their grandchildren. Also a film the genre has not been around for a while now. And imagine romantic comedy being a clutter breaker was never even, you couldn't even think about it, because at one point it was the most, the common genre, you know.
Yeah.
And now it's a clutter breaker, which is fantastic. Also everyone is so homebound these days, and also it's the festive season, so I'm glad that it's coming out on Netflix and you can enjoy it at your convenience with your family in your comfort zone.
No, absolutely, I agree with you. And who would have thought, because we're seeing a lot of violence and, you know, too much of stuff that makes you feel reality is biting, but you know, something like this.
Exactly, we're surrounded by so much negativity and stress and tension in the world. I'm so happy and honored to be part of something that would leave you with hope, leave you with some kind of happiness, and that's what we want to spread through this movie is just the basic understanding of love, and that simplicity is significant.
I want to ask the youth these days, Vivek. I mean, it'll be interesting to ask them, what is your perspective of love? Because ये कहते हैं जो आपकी generation है ना, that's far more practical than their parents' generation. Are you guys like that? Do you wear your heart on your sleeve, or are you very conservative, or उस time के हो?
Sorry. You're talking. I mean,
no, I'm asking. I said it's nice to ask your two actors their perspective on love, because कहते हैं ना, ये generation is far more practical.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing or a bad thing?
Which is a good thing also. So I want to know, it is a good thing. It is a good thing because way more practical, because you feel you have options. So I want to ask, what's your perspective of that, both of you?
Am I practical?
सोचने पे बैठे।
That's an interesting question. It's there are two sides to a coin, and being practical is great. It keeps you safe, I guess. But being able to dream, hope is extremely important. That's how we reach a better place, higher heights, and whatever we want to achieve. So that you want things to be better than they are. Even practically, that they might not be, but to have that effort to get better in any field, whether it be love or your profession, you have to have that sense of wonder, that hope, which I feel has reduced. And I think this film gives you that emotion again. It makes you feel that, things can work out.
Cool. तान्या, आप बता, practical हो क्या बहुत ही straight laced हो?
बहुत ही क्या?
Straight laced हो कि ऐसे ही और practical जैसे है ना, because आजकल तो everything happens over Instagram, breakups भी, makeups भी.
नहीं, luckily ऐसे नहीं हुआ मेरे साथ. Instagram पे breakup नहीं किया किसी ने. But I'm quite clear कि क्या चाहिए, क्या नहीं चाहिए, professionally and in my personal life too. I'm at a stage where I will not compromise. Like on my happiness, definitely.
It's nice,
So
nice. Instagram पे नहीं किया, किसी के साथ SMS पे तो नहीं breakup किया है?
नहीं, never.
अभिमन्यु smile कर रहा है, बताओ अभिमन्यु.
कभी नहीं मिलके आराम से.
We both are very empathetic, or even Vivek for that matter, extremely empathetic people.
I would never do that to anyone.
We would actually go, if we had to break up to someone, we would actually go through all the emotions that person would do.
Yeah.
And then we would kind of put it in the best scenario
Completely
possible,
put
how we
yourself
would like
in.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how we would
completely
like
put
to be
yourself in.
broken up with, वैसे हम लोग आगे break up करते हैं.
हाँ, अभिमन्यु को thumbs up मिल रहा है.
बहुत सही किया, but
आंसर अच्छे देता हूँ.
बहुत. मेरी तरफ से.
चलो, before we wrap, I just want to ask you, तुम दोनों अभिमन्यु और सानिया, मीनाक्षी और सुंदर को क्या advice देना चाहोगे if you were to meet them personally?
मैं तो उनसे लूंगी advice क्योंकि they both are really good at I think handling a long distance relationship.
Yeah. Just
Maybe some tips on long distance relationship from Sundaresh.
Yeah. Also, don't take life too seriously. You will never get out alive.
No, which is so true. Anyways, thank you all, and a very happy Diwali. And I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you, Vivek. And I now look forward to a narrative like this from the South, set in Mumbai, UP, Kashmir. वैसे Roja थी वैसे. Come to think of it, Roja was in Kashmir. It's nice to see, and I hope more films like this are set in the South. It gives a nice pan-Indian feel as well. Thank you so much. All the very best.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot,
so much.
Pooja.
Thank you.
Bye.
Hi, happy Diwali.